guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today we have some really exciting news. Finally, after so many months, from Goa, for all the tourists and for all of you who are looking to actually plan and come down to Goa, I will be sharing some good news that we have received. And besides, if you're new to this channel, my name is Alicia and I do make daily vlogs on travel, accommodation and food. So currently I live in Goa and I bring you complete updates from Goa, and also I give you complete information about accommodations, budget accommodations and various sorts of. So I'll link them all in the description below. So let's get on to our video. So for today's video, I will be covering details about the monsoon, about the COVID test, whether or not you actually need a test to enter Goa, because I keep getting a lot of questions saying I've taken one vaccination, I've taken two vaccinations, do I need an RT-PCR or do I need an antigen test, will that do? So I'll be covering all of that as well, and also the good news right at the end, so stay tuned. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is about the monsoon season. At this point in time in Goa, well, it has been raining, but there has been a significant decrease in the rainfall currently. So it's not like it's raining day and night like the way it used to probably rain in the month of June, July. But we're seeing slight amounts of rains, but it's pretty manageable even if you're coming at this point in time as a tourist. So please keep in mind that you carry umbrellas or even raincoats while you're traveling. So that's the first update. The second being your COVID certificate. For all those of you who have taken 2 doses of your vaccination, please note that you do not need any sort of RT-PCR or an antigen test to be done, provided you have waited for at least a minimum of 14 days from the time you've taken your second dose. So let's say someone has taken their second dose on the 1st of September, you will have to probably wait till the 14th or the 15th of September and then plan to enter. So in this case, you would not require any of the tests. And the second commonly asked question is, I've taken 1 dose, do I still need an RT-PCR or an antigen test would do? You don't really need an RT-PCR, but an antigen test will do, as long as you are not traveling from the state of Kerala. Kerala has a mandate, irrespective of 1 or 2 doses, you need to have an RT-PCR negative certificate to enter Goa. But if at all you're traveling from any other states, then you're all good to go. Even an antigen test would do for now. So the third thing is about your curfew. Well, at this point in time, we do have the Goa curfew in place, which is on all days, and it is until 11 in the night. But however, most of the places are open even after 11. For example, just a couple of days back, we went to a restaurant and they stopped taking orders for liquor at 11, but of course your food and everything was open until 12:30. So they stopped playing music and all of that, but of course you are allowed to have your dinner and then head back home. So my suggestion is that if at all you're planning to come during this time, then please plan your night outs much earlier. Like you can start off early evening so that you have enough time to have that much of a fun. But besides that, almost everything is open and I'm sure you'll have a great time. So finally, we arrive at the good news. So with regards to your water sports, at this point in time, the latest news that we've received is that it is anticipated to be open from the 15th of September. Mr. Michael Lobo, one of the ministers, has said that he would be considering for even the casinos to be open. So that's the good news, and we're hoping that we have as many as things opened up by then. So yes, all of this could be open from the 15th of September onwards. So I've also been getting a lot of requests from our subscribers asking me what is the kind of quantity and how do they actually legally take liquor from Goa to their respective states. So I thought I'd make a video on this, and once it's done, I will be linking it down in the description. It should be ready in a day or so. And I will be covering all aspects. If you're traveling by train, by car, or even by flight, what is the quantity and how you can actually take them. So stay tuned for that, and until we meet again in our next video, bye until then.